Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the airdrop of smartlayer. This is a project that has been working since 2017. They have an elite team and you can participate on this airdrop that is going to take you only 1 minute and you don't need to pay anything. So like always in my videos, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the project and then I go to the step by step on how you can participate on this airdrop. That is going to be super easy for you. It's not a testnet and you really need to do a couple of things and complete some quests on their website to participate. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, smartlayer is a unique solution that addresses the challenges of integration, privacy and trust in the digital landscape. It's a suite of technologies that unlock the power of RC5169 and smart tokens to deliver a token-centric web. It introduces a new layer of integration that enables trustless token logic, also called smart tokens, paving the way for a tokenized web with unlimited integration potential. This could be very big for the tokenization of real assets, which is one of the narratives that could explode in the next bull run 1 year from here or a couple of months from here. Many important people in the financial system have been talking about tokenization of real assets, so that is something that is coming big. They have been working since 2017. The company has a presence in Australia and Singapore, and the elite team has a big background. Smartlayer is airdropping free SLN tokens to users who register early for the whitelist, sign up for the Smart Pass and complete quests to earn points. So we are going to check that in a minute. In the website you can learn a little bit more about what this is smart token thing and how this works, the core concepts and all the information, who is backing this project. The very nice thing to see is that they have a very important team coming from eBay, from R3 Architecture, ex-Nintendo. Brent is the former head of brand from Meta and director of partnership with Uber. And Matthew here was former co-founder of Salesforce Web3. So all of this makes the team an elite team for this project, and they have been working from 2017. You can see it here on the roadmap. And right now, 2023, launches smartlayer network to accelerate the integrated web based on smart token. So that is what we are going to cover here on this airdrop that is confirmed and it's going to take you only 1 minute. I will put in one of the steps this video on how Smart Token Labs tackles the enterprise challenges and pioneers opportunities, so you will be understanding a lot here in this video about smart tokens. So now that we understand a little bit about the importance and the big that this project is, let's go and do the step by step for participating on the airdrop. First of all, follow them on Twitter or X, and secondly, go and join their Discord. So you will find news about all this in their Discord. The step 3, go to this link. This is the visit the smartlayer website. Once you go to that link, the step 4 is that you need to click on register early. So go to that link and click on register early. Here you will need force it to enter an email here. If you have multiple email accounts, you will be able to farm this airdrop. It's very easy to do. So here put an email, click that you agree the terms and conditions and register. After you do that, you need to do the step 5, which is submit your email and sign up. This is going to send an email to your account, so you need to verify your email. Please use emails that you have access so you can really verify the link that you receive. So from the link that you receive on the email, you click that and you automatically enter into the dashboard where you are going to get already 50 points for doing this after confirming the email. So now you need to complete the remaining quest to earn more points. This is step 6. Once you enter it, you will see your dashboard like this. This is your smart pass. This is the level that you are right now. This is your points. How many quests you completed. So to earn SLN, you need to complete this quest. The quest 1 is confirm your email, that give you 25 points for register and 25 for confirming. The quest 2 is that you need to join Discord, so you will need an email and a Discord to join here. And the quest 3 is you need to follow them on Twitter, that give you 100 points. Quest 4, you can invite friends. So basically we are already in step 7. More quests will be added in the future, so visit the page regularly to earn more points. Also earn more points for each referral up to a maximum of 25 referrals. And step 8, after the token goes live, user will receive free SLN based on the cumulative points. The quest 5 that you need to tweet about smartlayer, and the quest 6 is temporarily paused, but it was to add your Google or Apple wallet. So for now you have 5 quests to do. Check the Discord for more information, but this is really simple to do and you will receive these tokens on launch. So this is already a guaranteed airdrop, so very easy to do. If you have multiple email, Discord account and Twitter accounts like my users on my private Discord, they have many strategies to do that. So when we farm airdrops, these kind of airdrops are going to be farmed having multiple social media accounts. If you want to know more about that, you need to subscribe to my Discord. So go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions and here you will see my subscriptions for my private Discord and for my application. I did an application to register and apply to airdrops easily. Here you can see the video also, so you see exactly how my app works. My apps and my Discord are very cheap and it's not going to be open forever. At some point I will close the membership to my Discord because I don't want to grow too much. So you still have chances to join, but my app is going to help you a lot on this airdrop game. Also remember to check all my videos. I am doing project reviews. I covered Polkadot a couple of days ago, Metis and also Gala Games. So check my Discord, check my website with all my videos. That is all for this video. This is going to take you 1 minute. It's an airdrop confirmed for smartlayer. Very important, big project, good technology and a great team. That will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.